Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, we want to talk about this well-known brand, Our Place. Maybe not well-known to many people, but those that are looking for non-toxic cookware, this might be the product for you. So Our Place is a brand that is known for their ceramic coated pots and pans and saucepan, as well as other cookware. And we're gonna unbox this. This is the 2.5 version. So there's also a 5 version, the larger size. Believe that is in liters. And this is, again, a non-toxic cookware material that inside and out, so whether this eventually gets scratched or not, the material that scratches off are toxic free. And this product is also patented. Again, this is a ceramic, so what it means is that it's non-stick even without oil, and it doesn't have any of those toxic plastic or even the non-stick cookware that you normally buy in previous form, where it comes in black and it's non-stick. That's what they used to call it. But this is better for you because it's a ceramic non-stick coating. It's also lighter weight, and it doesn't burn your hand when you're trying to grip, let's say, the handle or the lid. This is designed without PFOA, FTFE, or other PFA, lead, or cadmium material. So let's see what you get in this package. So right now this is on sale. You can buy it in a dual package. Individually, if you get it during a special time like Prime Day or Black Friday, you can get about 25% off on them as well, or more. So this is the lid. It comes in a variety of color, very modern look to it. Inside you have this dark agreeable gray color with ventilation on both sides. So you can pour out from this side, it's labeled on the top, or filter pour. If you have pasta, for example, you're cooking pasta in here, you can pour it out so you don't have to pour it into some other mesh. This in particular, this pan does come with this wood sauce. Well, this is a saucepan, right? So it comes with this spoon. Also have an opening. This is made out of bamboo, it feels like. And that's the pot itself. That's the size of it. So this is your standard size that normally you would boil eggs, pasta. It does come into the bigger pot, the 5-liter version. And there's some instruction here. Again, this is toxic free, non-stick. You just need to rinse this off before you cook. You warm this up a little bit. Doesn't need any oil, and this is really non-stick. It's not non-stick material, but it's a ceramic material that you can cook an egg on here without adding any oil, and it still will cook to the inner core. So you can boil, you can stir fry in this thing. Make sure when you're using any cooking utensils that it is not metal, because this will scratch this. Just like any non-stick, it will scratch eventually, but this one is prone to scratch. So you want to use something that is more of a rubber like silicone, for example, and you can use the wood that they provide you, the bamboo wood sauce spoon that they include in this package. And that is it for the pan. The frying pan that comes in this door package, and this is what it comes with. Again, in this nice box. The material is from the US. It's assembled in Asia, but assembly meaning putting it together, but all the materials are from the US according to the back of this box. So this is a frying pan. This is a smaller frying pan, so you can cook a couple eggs in here, maybe even 3 or 4. So again, not too heavy, very durable, You can cook this, I believe, on induction too. This is not dishwasher safe. I don't think many cookware are. So you have to hand wash this just like any other cookware. And it also helps prevent it from scratching too much or at all. So you wash this by hand. You can use a non-abrasive brush or the scratch resistant actual washing mittens. You can use that to clean this with no issue. It's very durable on the outside. So you can see there, this is bare steel aluminum. I believe this is a type of aluminum. But I've cooked with the bigger saucepan and also the frying pan. This handle, they design it so it disconnects somewhat with this actual pan itself. So this ceramic material here, it doesn't heat up. It won't burn you no matter how hot you have this pan on the stove for. So this also comes with this frying spoon here. So this is neat. And this is also made out of bamboo. Yep, made out of bamboo. So let's see how it looks like. So that's nice that they provide this too, because normally when you buy pots and pan, you don't get these accessories. And this is high quality bamboo that will last quite some time. It's very thin on the edge there, so good for flipping pancakes, waffle, whatever you cook on here. So you can see it's natural. They never come in the same color, so you know that the wood that they use is all natural. It's not dye or a fake wood in any way. So you can order this right now. It's actually on sale for Prime Day. So if you get your discount on this. This is under 90 bucks. So is this. Normally it's 150 each. You buy it together, it's roughly 200 and something, but right now you can get it for under 200 for both. So link is in the description of this video. Even this frying pan has a lid to it too, so it's pretty awesome. And let me get that lid over. So this lid also has a cutout here, so you can pour it. Whatever you're cooking, you can pour out the sauce and keep the solids in there. So either if you're frying something, you can keep the lid closed, or if you're doing some broth that you want to pour out some of the fat, you can do that as well. Again, it just goes over just like that. Just make sure don't tilt it that way, but there's an opening there for you to pour. It's also a mark on top of the lid. This one also has a lid. So definitely check it out. Link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time.